Look what we have here. It's Rubble from Paw Patrol. It's a new vehicle. It's Rubble's Jungle Bulldozer.
Is this a jungle?
Very cool. It's a bulldozer, but it comes with the back. This thing.
A claw.
A claw, yeah, back claw. And this thing go like this. Just goes up and down. Hey, John Rubble. I'm stuck here. Can you get me out? Can you get me out? Norbert will get you out. Norbert. Hey, Norbert. Are you gonna get me out?
You can use the scissors.
Hi, Norbert. Norbert is saying, oh, you're gonna get him out? All right, Norbert. Let's get Rubble out. Let's open. I think this has an easy open.
There's easy open in the bottom.
There you go. Like that.
Good, Dada.
All right. Thanks, everyone. You got me out. Very cool.
Why in the vehicle?
Oh yeah, we put them in the bulldozer. Close it up. Ouch! You hit my head. And then.
It doesn't fit very good.
Right. This is the latest and greatest Jungle Bulldozer 06. Let's see. Oops. Wheels here. And then you can open this up.
And make a Rubble inside.
The Rubble jump inside. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. I'm ready to roll. That. All right. It's bulldozing time.
We have other guy, Marshall. We have Marshall.
This giant Galapagos turtle can barely move.
He can run.
I'll help you. I'll pick you up with my bulldozer. And I'll push you out into the ocean. Oh, don't worry. I got you. I can carry him, and then he can push him. I'm gonna push you to that. Or he can. I'm gonna drop you into the ocean. Ah, you're helping out in the forest. Oh, he's picking up the logs and then he's dumping them. All right, good job.
That's Barnacle's one.
Yeah, Barnacles is gonna hold that one. Oh, you're squishing me. Good job. Good job. What's the name again? What's the name again? Rubble. Oh, hey, let's have Rubble go down the slide. Put him down here. I want to see him go down the slide.
I think Rubble will.
Are you ready? Are you ready now to go down the slide? Yes.
He make it.
Yeah, he didn't come out because he's inside here.
He make it. Rubble make it, Dada.
Rubble made it. I did. Woo! So what can we do with Rubble? We can pull his legs back. Oh, his front legs move. Wow, now he looks like he's almost like he's lying down, or maybe he's running. He's jumping. He's like, he's flying.
I think we should make him like this so he can jump from his vehicle.
Alright. So he's standing up again so he can ride his vehicle. Off Rubble. And then... Hey dude, there's a giant spider on your cab. Ah! Where's the spider now?
Inside the bucket.
Okay, I got him. He's in my bucket now. Oh, the spider escaped. Where's the spider? I'm afraid of spiders. I'm gonna get the spider with my claw. Spider says, he got me. I got the spider with my claw.
He's like this. He's a happy spider.
I'm gonna smush the spider.
He's a happy spider. But he's a happy spider though.
Now he's a dizzy spider. I'm afraid of spiders. Oh, so Rubble is lifting the log.
We will back up from the forest. We will flush it out.
Yeah. drop it down right there. Good job, Rubble.
He's doing a great job.
Grab the log, clamp your claw, clamp it, put it in there, and you're gonna clamp it hard, like that, and then scoot it out, let it go. Another log, you gotta squeeze it hard,
Can you clamp it?
and you gotta clamp it hard, you gotta squeeze it. There you go. Good job, Rubble.
He will.
And there's more in the jungle collection. There's Marshall, Chase, Sky, Zuma, and Rocky. And if you notice carefully, all their designs have a little bit of a camouflage to it. This one has
There's so many camouflage in this.
yeah, this one has a little camouflage too, like right here. And then
They have to screw right here. They
right
paint this vehicle, Dada. They painted the
little
green and
camouflage
yellow.
right here for the jungle.
Paint green and black.
And there's some greens and yellow.
Transparent here.
It
Transparent
is
here.
transparent up there. See?
Right here, Dada. Right here.
Yep.
The square pieces are
Oh, this is transparent. To make it look cool, I guess.